Hi everyone, I've been trialing the Flash Spray Wipe Done bathroom for sort of the past week, and I am going to produce a video to show how effective this is. It is. I've used it a few times. It's pretty good. I'll show you the area looks that I'm going to clean. So basically, I've got the spray wipe done. So what I'm going to do is I've cleaned the area, taken everything away. I'm just going to spray a few sprays of this on here. There we go. The spray is quite strong. It just smells quite nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you exactly the effects that it's having. So I'll see you in 5 minutes. Hi, welcome back. So I've waited 5 minutes for the bathroom spray. I've dampened my microfiber cloth. Now what I'm going to do, just minimal effort, just clean this. It does smell really quite strong, and it actually gives you sort of a floral smell, which is really nice as well. And the smell does linger, so if you have guests, maybe in the evening, and you clean the bathroom during the day, they will still be able to smell it sort of a few hours after you finished cleaning, which is really nice. It works really well on the tap as well. Yeah, so that's the results. As you can see, you just need to let it naturally dry now, and yeah, so that's the bathroom spray, and yeah, buy it from all major retailers, and really easy to use. Definitely recommend it. Okay.